Most people think you must have an iPhone to create an Apple ID, but that's not true. Stay till the end because I'll also show you a trick to verify it easily. First, open any browser like Chrome or Edge. Then type to search, create iCloud account. Click on this first link. Here, click on Create Your Apple Account option. Now fill in your details. First name and last name. Country, choose your country correctly. Date of birth. Email address. This will be your Apple ID. Password, make it strong. Enter your phone number. This is important for verification. Choose text message or phone call. Enter this code and then click on Continue. Now check your email inbox and enter the verification code. Then enter the code sent to your phone. Once done, your Apple ID is ready. Click on Agree to continue. And that's how you create an iCloud account without an iPhone. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any issues.